Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by holding C major and immediately shift with intent. Move your index to a partial bar across the first fret on the high strings while keeping the ring and pinky ready. Use your middle finger to press the second fret on the D string, then set ring and pinky on the third frets of the N D strings as needed. Once done, check each string individually so you hear clear notes before a full strum. Once your fingers find their positions, refine the grip by rotating the wrist slightly toward you. This reduces tension and shortens the travel distance. Make a small roll with the index so its side, not the very tip, contacts two strings consistently. Keep your elbow anchored against your torso so the hand moves as a unit rather than each finger hunting independently. Practice slow, repeated swaps C to F, increasing speed only when each note rings true. Finish by strumming slowly and listening. Mute or lift strings that buzz, then repeat clean strums until the chord is steady. If you hear buzzing, adjust by either lightening index pressure slightly and changing its angle, or release and reapply pressure closer to the fret. Make sure thumb sits low on the neck to allow finger leverage. When things go wrong, isolate the offending string and practice 10 to 15 second focused repeats. This builds the muscle memory for a quick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.